Every twist of the throttle carries a risk, and one small habit can make all the difference. Whether you're merging onto a highway or pulling away from a stop, there's a critical step seasoned riders never skip. Today, we're diving into 9 life-saving habits you need to do every single time you accelerate, no exceptions. Number 1, always plan to brake. Every time you accelerate, have an escape plan for slowing down or stopping. Treat acceleration and braking as two halves of one process. As you roll on the throttle, your mind should already be thinking about how and where you might need to brake. This means knowing the road ahead, anticipating corners or traffic, and being ready to roll off the gas and squeeze the brakes if something unexpected happens. Many crashes happen because riders charge forward without a plan to reduce speed. For example, riders often overshoot turns or run wide in corners simply because they accelerated without thinking about how to slow down. By always planning for the next brake, you ensure that your speed never outpaces your ability to control it. It's a mindset. I accelerate because I plan to brake. This habit keeps you in control and ready for anything. Number 2, cover your brakes every time. Develop the habit of covering your front brake lever with 2 fingers whenever you accelerate in traffic or unpredictable environments. By keeping a couple of fingers resting on the brake, you cut down your reaction time dramatically. If a car suddenly cuts you off or a pedestrian appears, you're already prepared to squeeze the brake without delay. The difference of fractions of a second can be life-saving. Covering the front brake also mentally primes you to respond to hazards rather than just zoom ahead blindly. It doesn't mean you're riding the brake, it means you're ready. Every time you accelerate, especially in the city or any area with potential hazards, have that brake covered so you can respond instantly instead of fumbling for the lever in a panic. Number 3, maintain a stable body position. Before you accelerate, anchor yourself to the bike. Grip the gas tank firmly with your knees and keep your upper body relaxed. By squeezing the tank, you secure your lower body so that a burst of acceleration won't slide you backward. This lets you keep a light grip on the handlebars. Why is that crucial? Because if you hang on to the bars too tight, a strong acceleration can pull your arms and inadvertently twist the throttle even more. A recipe for a whiskey throttle crash. A stable body position also keeps the bike balanced. With your weight pressed into the bike, the front wheel stays more planted and your steering remains responsive. Every twist of the throttle should be met with a firm squeeze of your legs and a deep breath to keep your arms loose. Number 4, scan ahead before throttling. Never hammer the throttle without first checking what's happening further down the road. A quick glance far ahead and in your mirrors before you accelerate can reveal potential hazards. A car braking 2 lanes up, a red light that's about to change, debris on the asphalt, or an intersection where a car might turn across your path. Accelerating propels you into situations faster, so you need to double your awareness. Make it a habit that every time you're about to accelerate, you do a quick scan. Is your lane clear? Are other vehicles behaving unpredictably? Is there an escape route if something goes wrong? By scanning ahead, you avoid accelerating into danger. It turns a potentially reckless move into a controlled, informed one. In short, look where you want to go, but also look for anything that might get in your way. Number 5, roll on the throttle smoothly. Snapping the throttle open may feel thrilling, but abrupt acceleration is a top culprit for lost traction and control. Instead, practice rolling on the throttle smoothly and progressively. Think of it like squeezing a trigger gently rather than jerking it. Smooth throttle application keeps the bike stable, the suspension won't jerk backward as hard, and your rear tire is less likely to break loose. Especially if you're leaned over in a turn or the road is wet, a sudden jolt of power can cause a slide or even a high side. By feeding in power gradually, you give the tires time to hook up and maintain grip. This habit also trains you to modulate power precisely. You can always add more throttle if needed, but if you give too much too fast, recovering is much harder. Every time you accelerate, aim for a fluid motion of your bike, and your passenger will thank you for it. Number 6, use the right gear before accelerating. Part of safe acceleration is being in the proper gear. If you twist the throttle in too high a gear, the bike might lug. Too low a gear, and a small throttle input can surge you forward more than you expect. Before you accelerate, especially to overtake or climb a hill, shift into the gear that puts you in the engine's sweet spot. You want enough power available to accelerate smoothly without straining the engine. A good rule is to downshift if you're below the power band, so the bike has pep without needing full throttle. This gives you more fine control. You'll avoid bogging down the engine or, conversely, accidentally doing a wheelie because you revved high in first gear. Choosing the right gear for the situation means that when you do accelerate, the bike responds predictably and under control, which is exactly what you need every single time. Number 7, mind your traction and surface. Every acceleration should be governed by the traction you have at that moment. Is the road surface clean and dry, or is there sand, gravel, or wet leaves around? How warm are your tires? These factors dictate how much grip you can count on. Before you roll on the throttle, quickly evaluate the surface. If you're pulling away on a rain-slick street or a paint strip, be gentle. Your tires have less grip and could spin. On a hot day with warm tires and clean asphalt, you'll have more traction. Also be mindful of road camber or bumps. Hitting a bump right when you gas it can unsettle the bike. Get into the habit of telling yourself, "What am I on right now, and can my tires handle a hard drive?" This mental check takes a second, but it prevents you from carelessly spinning up the rear tire. The goal is to never exceed the available traction when you accelerate. Number 8, straighten up before hammering it. If you're coming out of a curve or turn, don't yank the throttle while still leaning over sharply. One of the most dangerous mistakes is accelerating hard, while the bike is at an angle that can easily overwhelm the sideways grip and cause the rear tire to slide out, leading to a nasty high side when it grabs again. Instead, as you exit a turn, smoothly ease the bike upright as you start to roll on the power. The more upright you are, the more of your tire's rubber contacts the road, and the more throttle you can safely apply. On every corner exit, prioritize getting the bike back to vertical before really getting on the gas. This is exactly what professional racers do to maximize drive without crashing. It's a habit that will save you in spirited canyon rides and quick city turns alike. Remember, an upright bike equals maximum traction for acceleration. Number 9, be prepared for front-end lift. Powerful acceleration can cause your front wheel to get light or even lift off the ground, especially on bikes with serious horsepower. Every time you accelerate hard, be prepared for this. That means leaning forward slightly and keeping a finger over the clutch or rear brake. Leaning forward shifts your weight over the front end, helping keep it down. Covering the clutch lets you quickly dip the power if the front starts climbing. Similarly, a light tap on the rear brake can tame a rising front wheel in a controlled way. Even if you don't ride a superbike, hitting a bump or crest while accelerating can surprise you with a little wheel lift. The key is not to panic. Instead, anticipate it. By expecting the possibility of a wheelie on strong acceleration, you'll automatically position your body and controls to handle it. Consistency is key. Make these habits as routine as strapping on your helmet, and you'll dramatically stack the odds in your favor every time you twist that throttle, keeping you safer on every ride.